Hello everyone, welcome to Fulltechstack. I am Akash and in this video we are going to cover a very important topic in JavaScript, that is closure. But before we begin with the main topic, let me help you recall a few important points. Number 1. In JavaScript, a variable declared inside a function is local scoped. Like here, since I have declared variable x inside my function, I can console log it only from inside my function. And if I try to access the variable outside this function, I will get this error saying x is not defined. Secondly, we can create a function inside a function like this. I'm simply writing a function named inner function inside my function. Now, this one is very interesting if you don't know already that in JavaScript we can actually return a function from inside a function. No, you didn't hear me wrong. I literally mean it. Look at this. I'm assigning inner function that we just created to a variable y, and I am now returning y in the next line. And this is absolutely legit in JavaScript. Let us now store my function that is returning y or our inner function in z and also print the value of z. You see that z is actually logging the body of our inner function. And to execute these lines, we can simply make a call or a function call to z like this. You see, now it is printing inner function called. Now let us quickly summarize these 3 points. Firstly, we cannot access a local variable created inside a function from outside its body. Secondly, we created a nested function. And then we came to know that we can return a function from inside a function. Now, if you are comfortable with the above points, you can clearly understand this. But first, let me do a little cleanup here. Remove this and this. Here, we simply have a function named myFunction with a local variable x. Then we have this inner function which is being returned from myFunction. Now let's replace this log with the value of x. Did you notice what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to access local variable of my function or the outer function inside the inner function. Let's see what the console log is showing us. 100. Did we just access the local variable of our outer function from my function or from inside the inner function? Absolutely yes. And my dear friends, this is closure in JavaScript. Simple. I hope now you are confident with closures in JavaScript. If you like the explanation, please take a moment to hit that like button. Now, before continuing, let's finally look at the definition of closure. According to MDN, a closure is combination of a function bundled together or enclosed together with references to its surrounding state. We can also consider surrounding state as the lexical environment. Or in other words, a closure gives you access to an outer function scope from an inner function. In JavaScript, closures are created every time a function is created at a function creation time. Let us now try and relate this definition with our code. You see, here we are just returning the inner function, which is now miraculously returning value of x that does not even belong to our inner function. And this is possible only because whenever we create a function, it is bundled with its surrounding environment, or we can also call it as the lexical environment, which in this case is the value of x, which is getting bundled with our inner function, because of which we are having the access to it. That is all for this part. Thank you for watching. Please share any doubt or queries you have in the comment section and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.